Hey guys, I am getting ready for a fun event. Today I'm going for the launch of the bike ESD. I'm so excited and I am already late as usual. So let's get ready with me and quickly create my look for the event. I'm excited. I'm done with the face wash and I'll be using a moisturizer. This one is Dot & Key Barrier Repair Moisturizer just to prep my skin. Just apply it nicely, just cover your entire face, slapping your face with the moisturizer to give it a nice and smooth texture. इसके बाद मैं लगाऊंगी सनस्क्रीन जो मैं अभी करंटली यूज़ कर रही हूँ, वो यूथ सोल का. दिस इज द सनस्क्रीन आई एम यूजिंग. इट्स अ ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम SPF 50 PA++++. Apply this evenly on the face. So yeah, now my skin looks pretty prepped. Next I will use the primer. मेरे पास Swiss Beauty का primer है, Blur It All का. Love it. Swiss Beauty is one of my favorite brand for cosmetics. ये इतना सा primer लिया है मैंने और it minimizes your pores, gives your foundation an even look. Primer is a very important step of your makeup. So I love primers. So yes, मैंने primer भी लगा दिया है. Now we can go ahead with the makeup. This is my foundation by Swiss Beauty Select. It's the Game Changer Serum Foundation and the shade is 03 Sand Beige. It is perfect for my skin tone. बहुत ही long lasting है, तो मैं ये prefer करती हूँ for all my events. Whether it's a night event, day event, long lasting तो बहुत है. And the best part about Swiss Beauty is it's pretty cost effective. Oh, we all love cost effective and amazing products, right? Okay. Yeah. Here I have applied my foundation. और ये जो इवेंट में जा रही हूँ आज, मैं कोलाबा में जा रही हूँ. आई जस्ट लव इट. इट्स एन ऑटोमोबाइल बाइक ब्रांड ESD and they are launching that latest crazy bike and I'm so excited because this is my first automobile. No, actually my second automobile event. So I'm hoping to get into the automobile sector. I love cars, I love bikes, so I feel I'll be able to do a lot of justice to the brand. बहुत ही exciting event है. Okay, I'm done. Yay! अभी it's time for the concealer. ये high on coverage Swiss Beauty Select का ही है. Guys, this is not a sponsored video, it's an organic video, but I have a lot of Swiss Beauty products, so that's why almost every other product is Swiss Beauty. But I do use other brands as well, which I will show you. Then the best part about my makeup is I can get ready in literally 10 to 15 minutes. पूरा makeup लगा के मेरे में I think I have this superpower. Yeah, this is done. Now let's do some baking. So let it set for the next 10-15 seconds or 30 seconds, the concealer part, and then we'll start with the baking. So I just use some loose powder. I keep it on my hand. I use this brush and just bake. Baking. I am not very good at cooking baking, but I think I'm pretty good at the makeup part of the baking. So after the foundation, थोड़ा बेकिंग करने के लिए मैंने एक लूज पाउडर लगा दिया है so that the foundation sets. ये so see how nice the foundation is looking. Overall पूरा अच्छे से set हो चुका है. It's given me a very nice coverage. And yeah, overall I'm liking the look. I'll move ahead with the blush. This one is Swiss Beauty Chiquita blush. Just so creamy ऐसे लगा के I'll just blend. Blending is the whole game of makeup. You just be very good at blending. See how lovely and a natural looking flush. You can even apply the blush on your nose to get that cheeky look, sun-kissed look. This is the W technique I use. Just blend it here. Yeah. Yeah, and done. Going ahead with the eye makeup. Since it's an evening event, I'm gonna go for a little dark smoky look for the eyes. So let's keep a medium color as our base. So keep it like this. Okay, then we go for the smoky effect on this side. And now for the inner palette, I'll go for some nice glitter shimmer. You can even apply it with your fingers. कभी कभी मैं finger के साथ करती हूँ, कभी कभी brush करती हूँ, depending on my mood. So finger का technique भी यही है. Just take some eye palette shimmer and keep it on your inner eyelids till the center. So yeah, it's pretty much done. I'll just finish it up. So now I am prepping my eyebrows. The best part about my eyebrows, I have pretty thick eyebrows naturally, so the shape looks very nice. और इस पे जब आप eyebrow थोड़ा लगा देते हो, पूरा एक structure मिल जाता है face को, जिससे overall makeup का look भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Now let's do some contouring. Oopsie. So I am contouring my face now. मेरा brush कहाँ गया यार? Now I'll find out my brush, contour brush. Here it is. Yeah. I don't like my makeup to be too contoured, not over contoured, not under contoured, just the perfect amount of contour. So yeah, this looks pretty good, I guess. Now let's do some eyeliner and kajal. Let's see whether to put kajal or not. तो लेट मी जस्ट वेट फॉर अ मिनट फॉर द आई लाइनर टू सेट, क्योंकि यूजुअली मैं लाइनर के बाद मस्कारा करने जाती हूँ और जो भी लाइनर जो नहीं सेट हुआ रहता है वो पूरे मेरे आई शैडो को ख़राब कर देता है. दिस हैज़ हैपेंड सो मेनी टाइम्स एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई डोंट लर्न फ्रॉम माई मिस्टेक्स. या यू वुड वंडर कि इतना मेकअप लगाती हूँ तो कभी तो सीखना चाहिए, बट नहीं. माई stress and my anxiety over getting done with the makeup very fast always ruins the game. So yes, now I'll just wait some time. I'll talk to you guys and my makeup sets, my lashes set, my eyeliner sets, and then we'll go ahead with the mascara. I guess अभी set हुआ है. So let me just go ahead. I love mascaras because I did not see I just applied some mascara on my forehead, so you can get rid of it with your hand before it sets. I just love a good mascara. It immediately changes your eye game. See the difference? This and this without mascara and with mascara. The one that I'm using here is Rene Volume Max mascara. It actually gives your lashes volume. And literally a single application and you're done. If you want a heavy look, go for a double application. Wow, long lashes, beautiful look, and you don't even need false lashes. Yeah, I'm almost done with my makeup. Now I'll go and wear my outfit. और फिर जाके मैं लिपस्टिक पहनती हूँ यूजुअली. सो लेट मी चेंज. आई लाइक हाउ इट इज टर्न्ड आउट, प्रीटी क्यूट. Okay, before the outfit, I'll just set my makeup with this makeup fixer. It's a nice prep set matte finish. Just shake it up and blow. This is also by Swiss Beauty, guys. You have to wait for 30 seconds and let it dry, okay? Please मेरे जैसे घाई मत करो हर चीज़ में. Oopsie. Let me fix this quickly. Oh God. So yeah, guys, I put on the outfit. It's a red gown. I guess I will show it to you all later. It's one of my favorite red gowns because it's comfortable, it's stylish, and yeah, it's classy. This lipstick is by Parul Garg and the shade is Hibiscus. So yeah, this is my look. I am loving the entire look. And ये जो dark red lipstick जो मैंने पहनी है उसकी वजह से पूरा makeup दिख के आया है. And I'm just gonna wear a gloss when I reach the location. So right now I'm just gonna keep it matte. See you at the event. I am on my way to the event. I'm I'm so excited for the launch of ESD. They are launching a new bike, and I'm so excited to witness this amazing moment. And so sweet of the brand, they have arranged a transport for me to come and go. I just love when the brand takes care of their creators. It just feels so positive and so lovely to be taken care of. I'm very excited, guys, and I cannot wait to show you how the event goes. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you everything.